Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome to our weekly quickie. Get ready with me, Modest Beauty. So today what we're going to be working with is the Born to Run palette. And if you're interested in seeing the look that I'm going to come up with, please stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. We're still going to be using our regular format. Well, I'll go ahead and get the music started, but I want to let you know what I'm working with today. I'm not going to go over every individual item, but the things that I recently picked up and I talked to you guys about in my other video, in case you saw that. So I want to make sure that I integrate those, okay? And so first of all, I'm going to be using this palette here, Born to Run. This is one that I've had for a while now, and this is by Urban Decay. And here are the color stories, okay? Color story, I should say. And then I will be trying to use at least two of the different pencils, the 24/7 pencils that I received from Urban Decay as well. And the thing that I'm really curious about actually is this here. Let me make sure it's not upside down. Okay, and this is the I want to say this is a tinted moisturizer, even though it does give medium coverage. It's called Hydromaniac Stay Naked. So, and it says Glow Hydration. It doesn't say foundation or anything. So yeah, so I want to go ahead and give this a try to see how this works out. And along with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something very new. And the inspiration is from Smitha Deepak or Smitha Deepak. And if I'm saying her name wrong, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and put her down below so that way in case you want to check her out. But I've been watching her for many, many, many years, actually. She's got over like almost 2 million, I think, followers. 1 point something million followers. And so I've mentioned her in my other video, but I got the inspiration and the technique from her. And even though it's something that I tried doing in the past, before I even seen that, it never worked out for me. Maybe I didn't use the right, brush. I don't know. But anyhow, so I want to go ahead and do that. So without any further ado, let's get it started.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. with 90. I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye.
Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. I did not forget about the giveaway result. So here we are at the YouTube contest options, and I have gone ahead and pasted the link. And next, I'm going to go ahead and filter duplicate users so everybody gets a fair one entry. And then next, I will filter the comments below and the word. Do you remember what that word was? It was spring. Okay, let me make sure I spelled that correctly. S-P-R-I-N-G, correct. Next, what I do is I hit the Get Your YouTube Comments button here, and then all of the comments that qualified with those words will go ahead and pop up, and it looks like we have 25 numbers of unique comments. Now, out of those, what YouTube Picker does is when I come over here and push this button, it starts the raffle. So, here we go. Let's get started. Anna Gonzalez. Anna, congratulations. All right, and you did use the word spring. Awesome video. How did you like the Fenty foundation? Heard good things about it. Spring is coming soon. Yay. Okay, and now what I have to do is validate that Anna is actually subscribed to me. So I hop on over to her channel. And then I start looking up and down, and I hope she doesn't have a million of those I have to go through. Sometimes it takes me time, so be patient with me. So as we're looking down, what we're looking at right now are all of the people that she is subscribed to, Anna is subscribed to, and here I am, Haute Modesty. So great, Anna, congratulations. This is official, and you have met all of the requirements. Congratulations, Anna, and please reach out to me so that I can get the address to send you goodies. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, don't be discouraged, there'll be more, okay? So, have a good day. Bye-bye.